Meet Alex, a retailer who was searching for a dependable Type-C cable charger supplier. He had dealt with frequent complaints about slow charging and damaged cables. Customers kept coming back with the same issue. Alex soon realized the real problem was inconsistent cable quality. Once he switched to reliable USB-C cables from Rite Distribution LLC, charging became faster and safer. Product returns reduced and customer confidence improved. That experience changed how Alex chose his suppliers forever. If you need the same, visit ritedistribution.com.